Hi, it's your girl D again with another video. Today we're making deviled eggs. So with this, you need eggs, cold water to start off with. Never you boil your eggs with warm water or a preheated eye. So always remember, cold pot, cold eye. I have boiled my eggs. I have cut them and placed them in a tray. So you're going to take the egg yolk and just take a fork and mash it. Get it fine as possible. Like that. Then next, I use mustard. Miracle Whip. Sweet relish. And sugar. I don't have a desired amount of sugar. I just do to taste. So whatever's your preference. And mix well. So once you mix all your ingredients, you're gonna have your filling like this. So what I do is I have a cake decorator I use to fill my deviled eggs. This is our final product of our easy deviled eggs. If you try this recipe, let me know how it worked out. Thanks for watching. Bye.